Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make money with affiliate marketing. I'm even going to set you up with your first offer. And affiliate marketing is probably a stacked skill for you, which means you're probably already doing it. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product. And what you want to do is find a really great product and promote that, because great products will sell themselves. And what I mean by stacked skill is that you probably already have the skills necessary to succeed in affiliate marketing by what you're doing in Shopify and e-commerce, right? Promotion, sales, finding great products, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, email marketing. These are the ways that you win with affiliate marketing, very similar to what you're doing in Shopify and e-commerce. And there are three main keys to winning with affiliate marketing. Number one, great products. A great product is simply going to sell itself. You're not creating a product in affiliate marketing. You're simply finding people that are interested in buying it. And when you have a great product, of course, more people are going to be interested in buying it. So that's number one. Number two, great payouts. And I'm not just talking about high money amounts. Of course, you want to be paid a nice dollar amount every single time you generate an affiliate sale, but you also want to make it as easy as possible to get these payouts and to have great support with your affiliate marketing team. And last but not least, growing offers. Once you master one offer, you scale that, you make as much money as you can from that offer, then you take a look at additional offers from the same provider, and allows you to kind of just continue to grow and scale your affiliate marketing business. So let's go over the shoulder. I'm going to set you up with a very, very, very powerful affiliate marketing product here that you could jump into immediately. I'm going to show you step by step. So to get started, we're going to create our own personal account over here. And there are offers inside here that are going to reward you with $50 for every purchase made through your affiliate link. So all you have to do is just enter in your email, create a password, and then we'll click create account. Once we register, we're going to get an email with instructions on how to verify and activate our account. So you'll just simply activate your account with the email that you receive, and then you'll be able to log back into your account. That's going to bring you into your affiliate dashboard. Here you're going to be able to see all of your stats, your offers, latest news. You'll be able to contact your affiliate manager up here as well. Very, very powerful. You'll kind of be living inside here as you run your affiliate business. Over here in the offers section, these are going to be the different offers. I'm going to set you up with this $50 per sale one. You'll find different ones available in the available section, and in the live section, you'll see any offers which you've actually sent some traffic to. Smart link section, so you could have custom linking over here, a full line of statistics with all these different kind of sub IDs, sub criteria, so you could drill down, take a look at all the analytics. Payments, we'll get this set up over here in terms of talking about how you'll receive payments so you can get paid, and any successful offers that you have. News over here, you'll get updates and things like that. Referrals, you could also find in terms of your people that you refer. We have our support down here as well. If you're really advanced, you could check out the API. But very, very, very simplistic in terms of what we need to do over here. You could also change to a nice dark theme or light theme, really depending on what you want with this button up here. But what you want to do is come over here into the top right and click on settings, because we need to ensure that our profile information has all of the right stuff. So we're going to make sure we put in all of our information here: address, country, zip code, all of the correct information over here. You can change your password over here as well if you need to. Nice and simple for that. Coming over here under local settings, you want to have to set this based on your time zone, of course, your interface language. You can pick from a couple different options over here. Now I want to talk about Tipalti over here. This is how you're going to get paid. First thing we need to do inside of Tipalti is click the blue Create Tipalti Profile button. This is very straightforward. It's going to create your Tipalti profile automatically. Now what we need to do, you'll see the button changes to specify payment details. We're going to go ahead and click this button, and we'll be brought into a little form here. All we need to do is enter in our specific information here, and it's going to allow us to sign up. So I'll come through, enter my info, and then we'll go to the next step over here. Now what we need to do is enter in our bank information. We have the ability to connect lots of different payment details. We could do ACH, we could do wire transfer, we could do check, where they're going to send directly out to your address on file, or probably the easiest way to do it, PayPal. Come over here, just enter in your PayPal email address. You'll enter in your information over here as well. Agree to the terms. And again, you could choose whichever payment method you like the best. And now you're all set. Payments are ready to go. They're good to be sent into, in this case, my PayPal account. And you could always edit this at any time, coming back into your Tipalti profile. But we have everything set up now. And at any time, we can get back there by coming over to Settings, back into Tipalti, and then specify payment details will bring you back into your Tipalti account. Coming back here on the dashboard, this is where you can see your balance in terms of how much money you've earned and what you're going to be able to withdraw via Tipalti over here. This updates live in real time. You're going to see all of your sales. You'll also be able to check all of your sales over here in payments. They'll start to come through in terms of all of the successful sales that you get that are tracked through your affiliate link. So let's talk about offers now, and we're going to come over here. There's 3 different subsections here: the all offers, the available offers, and the live offers. And the all offers obviously is going to be a list of all the offers. The available offers will be all of the offers that are in public status that are going to be connected by your manager. And that does sometimes mean you're going to need to request approval for some of these available offers. For example, this one right here, the $50 per sale over here. And once you get that connected, this is going to show up in your live offers here as well. So really, really important here. This is kind of going to be the product that you're going to be promoting. In this case, our human answering service over here. Every single time you get someone to sign up, you're going to get a $50 commission. So let's actually go ahead and click on this offer. And this is going to show us 2 different tabs. We have the general tab. This is going to be general information about the offer. And, we're going to be able to get some creatives for the offer over here in this tab in terms of how it's going to look. And we could use this throughout our marketing. We could use this type of text. We could use this exact image. We could right click and save this image. We could also come over here. If there are multiple creatives, click this download all button, and we're going to get all of the creatives at once. We could also press it right over here in terms of download all. But the reason why this page is so important over here, and by the way, we could also preview what the offer is going to look like. A really nice landing page here, interactive. But really the most important part right over here, your tracking link. And this is going to be what you use to promote. Click right over here to copy this link. And I'm going to show you, I'll open up a new incognito window. When you promote this link, and we'll talk about promoting it in a second, when you have this link in promote, right, it's going to go right back to that same landing page. The thing is, it's got your affiliate ID linked in over here. Okay, so you always want to use your specific link. You're going to promote it. I'll talk about different promotional methods, but this tracking link is going to direct potential customers to sign up for this service using your personal affiliate ID. Okay, that's the key here. That's how tracking happens. That's how affiliate marketing works in general. You're going to get your own specific link. It's literally right here inside of your affiliate dashboard here under the offers. Copy it, right? You could add referral IDs. You could add sub IDs. You could have all these different types of kind of add-ons for tracking. But the bottom line is this is your main offer link right here. And you're always going to want to use this link and only this link to promote this offer. And remember, you're going to make a massive $50 every single time someone signs up for this offer. Incredibly powerful. You can make a lot of money with this offer right here. So how are you going to promote your offer? I'll give you a couple of powerful ways to do this. Obviously, you need to use your tracking link to promote your offer. Where are you going to do this? Well, personal social media. Don't underestimate the power of your friends lists. And you want to post your offer on all of your social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, really anything that you're on. You'll want to promote this out there. Again, make sure you use your specific tracking link. Facebook groups over here, this is number 2. These are very, very high engagement communities, right? You're going to find very niche specific audiences, like a Facebook group for people that have dogs, or a Facebook group for people that like playing basketball. You're going to find a group, and probably hundreds of groups, for really any type of offer that you could find. The idea is just matching up the right group with the right offer. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So we're inside of our account over here. We're going to click onto our offer. Then we're going to come and grab our exclusive tracking link. All we need to do is just press this little copy button, and I'll show you in a new window what it's going to look like when they click on this offer. What we're going to do is use our specific link to send people into this page so they could enter in their information and sign up. So a lot of different ways that we can do that, and we also have a cool QR code over here that we can come and download this in any file format over here, and we could use this in our marketing. We could even use this in real life, sharing it to your friends, texting it to your friends. That would be a powerful way to do it. But I'm going to show you again, copying this link right over here and taking this into, for example, Facebook. And we'll come into a personal Facebook page over here, and we're literally going to come and we can make a status update. Status update, just like any other post, right? We're going to come over here. We're going to add the banner image that's provided in your affiliate dashboard. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste some text and the link over here to promote this offer. And you see we have our text over here. We have our link and call to action. And we have this really nice optimized banner over here, literally ready to go for our Facebook post. So you'll go ahead and press post, and you'll get this added to all of your friends on Facebook. And we can do the same thing for Twitter. So we'll come over here on Twitter, go ahead and post or paste that in over here to make sure we have our link. It's going to automatically build this link post over here, and then you just go ahead and press tweet. We'll do the same thing over here. You can go into Facebook groups where there are relevant people, and you'll be able to post in that same offer. We can go ahead and upload our image here as well. It's all done for you. All you need to do is just make sure that you're using your specific link. YouTube is another big one, especially if you have an existing channel or an existing audience. You're going to absolutely want to create a video for your offer. Again, you'll be linking with your specific affiliate link, so you always get credit for those sales that come in. This is also great for long-term traffic, especially if you do a good job optimizing your video title, your tags, your description for relevant search keywords. And moving forward, email list building. This is one of my favorite ones. This does require some upfront investment, right? You're going to need to pay to generate email addresses, let's say through lead generation ads or through opt-in ads. Let's say you're using something like ClickFunnels or even Facebook's lead generation ads. This is kind of the idea that you pay a little bit up front, you have a little investment up front, and it pays off big time in the long run. There's so much money when you have a list full of buyers, right? An email list where you just literally press the send button, send out your offer, and oh, by the way, send out more offers in the future as well. TikTok, this is a must-have, right? Making sure that people can find your offer by connecting them to unique and trending TikTok videos. This is just kind of TikTok 101. Of course, it's incredibly powerful right now, and I envision it to continue to be powerful. And blogging, right? This is probably the polar opposite of TikTok in terms of this is old school, but it's still a great way to promote your offer. First of all, you're going to build a lot of trust when you create some long-form blog content around your offer, but even better, this is great for a long-term SEO. You're going to start to get found in search engines. You're going to start to be associated with the content around your offer, and this is going to lead to a higher conversion rate, more clicks, and of course, more sales. So a lot of different powerful ways to do it, but you see the link directly below this video. Make sure you jump in right now. There's that $50 per sale offer. Really nice affiliate commission on there. Great way for you to get started. Follow the step-by-step that I just did, and I hope this helps you make some money.